All right, welcome one more time. This is Acura Tech with you. We're gonna show you how to replace a mirror, side mirror on the MDX's 22 to 25 MDX, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this cover. Behind this cover, we have two screws. And there's another screw here. You can see over there. We're gonna take that screw out and we're gonna remove the door panel. All right, so from here, you're gonna use a small flathead and you're just gonna use that little opening in the top, insert it and just all right, the three screws are out, 1, 2, and 3. The only thing holding the door panel right now is clips. We're just gonna get an opening from somewhere here and just pull it. Maybe here, we got a little opening here. Yep, right here, we're gonna pull it, take the clips out. Once the door panel is off, we have a couple things we have to remove. We have to remove this connector. We have to remove this door handle and these two connectors right there. So 1, 2 connector, door handle, next connector. We're gonna disconnect all 3 connectors. All right, we have the door panel off, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, and the connectors are off. We're just gonna remove this cover right now for the blind side spot. So we're gonna remove this cover and we're gonna move this clip off. Take this clip, take this clip, take this clip, disconnect from here. So the mirror is gonna come with the whole harness. So remove this part and take the harness off. So if your vehicle has a blind spot system, just disconnect that and remember to connect it again. That's a blind spot indicator. Okay, I'm gonna push in on the top and pull down. And then we have 1, 2, 3 screws out, and then we're just gonna take the mirror out. All right, I removed the clips right now. You just gotta use a clip popper and just get the clips and pop it. So with a clip popper, pop the clips off. Now let's take those ends out to remove the old mirror. All right, we got all 3 bolts out. We're just gonna kind of wiggle the mirror out. You can see how it's gonna separate. There you go. Mirror separate. Just pull it off and feed the harness through that hole. We have the new mirror. We make sure that's the right one with the harness. But you see this white piece right here? This white piece stuck on the door right here from the old one. So we're just gonna remove this white piece out. We're gonna remove that out with the pliers or something. Just pull it out. So the new clip just clipped on it, okay? We're just gonna remove this piece and install the mirror. Now that piece is removed, as you can see. We're just gonna install the mirror. I'm gonna do a little cleaning here, make sure that everything is clean. All right, as you can see, everything is good and clean. I'm just gonna install the new mirror. That's how it's supposed to look before you install it. All right, so we're gonna feed the harness through here and go down the door, all the way down. All right, the new mirror is in with the clip that the new mirror came with. And we're just gonna install the nuts in here. Those nuts are pretty sensitive, so you gotta torque it down to 7 foot-pound. Now more than that, 7 foot-pound is what it needs for those nuts right there. Okay, we got our tool set up to 7 foot-pound with a 10 millimeter on, and we're just gonna torque it. All right, 7 foot-pound right there. This is really, really brittle. Just that's it. That's all it needs. We're gonna install the clips. All right, we're gonna install the clips where it goes, right here. And install the connector. This connector is for the blind spot. This is the cover for the blind spot. So I'm gonna install the cover on the blind spot and connect it. All right, so I got the cover installed already. Make sure it's all around clipped in and it's connected. Make sure you connect it behind, and we're just gonna install our door panel in the reverse order. Remember, don't forget these tools, and of of course, door handle. All right, once you get everything connected, you can see the door handle, valve connection, and this one in here. Just gonna place the door panel, and you're gonna use the clips to bring it in. All right, so it just clips. All right, just clip. Make sure everything is lined up, and just clip it on. And all these around as well. Make sure it's clipped in. All the clips first. Make sure that everything is holding by clips. Your holes are lined up. All right. You can see it right there. And put the cover back, the screws, and that's it. You're done. All right, I installed all the bolts and the covers. We're just gonna put the key on. Make sure that this come on. All right, and our mirror is moving. So down, up, left, and right. We're gonna remove this, and we're just gonna do one more cleaning. All right, we just spray with glass cleaner, and we're just gonna clean it really quick. Make sure everything is good and free of fingerprints. All right, this is how your new mirror should look. Everything is good and clean, functional. Everything is working normal. We're just gonna do one more check, make sure that the tilting position works. All right, so we're gonna put the key on. Make sure the tilting position is working. And perfect. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, comment. If you got any question about this process, just send me a comment and I will help you out. And thank you for watching.